Hello and welcome. In this video, we're going to walk you through the enhancements to the Unified Events page in Cisco Secure Firewall Management Center. The Unified Events page serves as a central hub for monitoring network events where you can analyze connection, intrusion, file, and malware events, all in one place. This page highlights events that occurred in the same connection, making it easier to correlate data. You can customize the table with filters and column adjustments to suit your workflow. You can view live events as they happen and monitor the network activity in real time. Live view is particularly helpful when you want to monitor events immediately after making a policy change. Cisco has enhanced some functionalities that you're already familiar with to make navigation and analysis of these events faster and more efficient. Let's take a look at what's improved. When you click on an event, the details now open in a pane that slides out from the right side of the screen. This layout maintains the table view while providing a focused space to explore event details. The Event Details pane now includes a filter option. You can search for specific fields within the event details. We've introduced a Favorite Column Sets icon, represented by a star. Click this icon to save your current table view as a favorite or to access previously saved column sets. Enter a name and save the current column set as favorite. Click a column set from the list of favorites to quickly apply it to your table view. You also have the option to overwrite an existing favorite column set after you make changes to it. Let's add a new column to this column set and overwrite it with the changes. At the top left of the Unified Events page, you'll find the new Quick Filter buttons for different event types. Clicking a button instantly filters the table to show only that event type. In the search bar, the new Favorite Searches icon enables you to save and manage search filters. Click this icon to load your saved searches. After adding filters in the search bar, click the Favorite Searches icon and enter a name to save your search filters as a favorite. Like column sets, you can modify and overwrite your favorite searches too. Let's now explore the Troubleshooting Syslog feature. You can monitor your threat defense devices' diagnostic syslog messages directly in the Management Center. This feature is supported by Secure Firewall Management Center version 7.6 and later. It streamlines your workflow and keeps everything you need in one place. To see the device's diagnostic syslog in Management Center, you must first enable your threat defense device to send them to the Management Center. To configure this, we'll go to the platform settings in your Management Center. Once there, edit your policy, then proceed to Syslog Setup. Here, you'll find the Logging to Secure Firewall Management Center option. Select all logs and choose your desired logging level. For now, let's leave it as critical. Save and deploy your changes. Once configured, these logs appear in the Unified Events page. Go to the Unified Events page and click the Troubleshooting tab. The troubleshooting logs include fields showing the log message, the message class, and the severity of the log. This provides immediate context, helping you understand the nature and criticality of each event. Furthermore, you can view these diagnostic logs alongside other event data, allowing for richer correlation and a comprehensive understanding of your network events. We encourage you to explore these new features and enhancements to streamline your workflow and gain deeper insights into your network events. Thank you for watching this video. Please share your feedback and suggestions for our upcoming videos.